Hello and welcome to this Webmaster Tools Crawl Errors video tutorial. This tutorial picks up where the dashboard tutorial left off, and as you will see on screen, we are back in the account section for the Webmaster Tools interface on your website, in this case Airborne Signs, and inside of the dashboard we will see the crawl errors screen or region, and you'll see that there are two arrows on the right hand side of the title there. It indicates that that's a link. You can click on that link and you'll be taken to the health navigation bar, and you'll see under crawl errors at this stage. Now in terms of the Airborne Signs website, there are 6 errors, and these are shown down the page. You can see here that each of these have been indexed in the past and are now responding with 404. 404 errors are often seen on the internet, and they indicate that a page doesn't exist. And these detections were made all in May. Ideally, of course, you won't want to see links in there that you intend to be indexed. So if you do have errors in there, it is probably speak to your webmaster, investigate the issue yourself, or perhaps contact the Wonks for assistance. On the navigation tree below crawl errors is crawl stats, and here you can see how often the Google bot is indexing your site, and you can see the activity for the past 90 days on this site was negligible in February, again in March. April showed slight increases, and you can see the change in activity. Underneath that is blocked URLs, and here is the robots text we indicated and had a look at in the dashboard tutorial. There are no blocked URLs in this case. Fetch as Google is how you index your page, or how you index your entire site. You can see here that the entire site was indexed on the 13th of May, and just the LED signs was indexed on the 15th of May. We'll run through how to use Fetch as Google in its own tutorial page. You can see that below the Webmaster Tools tutorial page. And then just finally in the navigation bar is malware, and it currently shows on the Airborne Signs website that there is no malware. If you do have malware on your site, it's probably a pretty good indication that there's some serious faults on your site, and you may wish to investigate getting an entire new website created, as it can be notoriously difficult to remove malware from a website that has been infected. And that ends this tutorial.